so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Oh, hey! It's me, Blippi! And look at what I have! Whoa! Dinosaur toys! Yeah! I love dinosaurs! They're so cool! And they're so old! So silly! Hey, when I was young, I really wanted to be a paleontologist. Yeah, that's someone that studies dinosaurs and fossils and digs them up. Fossils? Do you know what a fossil is? A fossil is just like a bone or an egg that got put under the ground for many, many, many years. And then it turned into essentially a rock. Isn't that cool? Well, hey, I think we should take this basket and go around this park and find some fossilized dinosaur eggs. Does that sound like fun? Let's go! Okay, here we go. Whoa! Look at that dinosaur. Whoa, that is a fossilized triceratops. Tri meaning 3. Do you see the spines? The pokey things on the front? Yeah, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that dinosaur is so cool. Let's go check it out. Whoa! Whoa! I'm inside the mouth of this dinosaur. It's so big. Here, come here. Whoa. Wow, do you see this? This used to be bone, but now it's just fossilized bone. Whoa, it's really hard. Okay. Whoa. Let's go over here and see what's around. Whoa, hey! A baby triceratops. Hello. Hey, how's your day going? Good? Nice and slow? Okay, anywho, bye-bye. Whoa. Whoa. Another egg! Wow! Look at it! Do you know what dinosaur this is? I do! A Blippisaurus! Oh, so silly! Whoa! What are these? Whoa, some dinosaur eggs! Oh, yeah, they're fossilized. I am so excited to break them open later and see what's inside. Okay, let's put them in our basket. And then let's go explore and see if we can find some more. Whoa! Whoa! There's a lot of sand right here. Yeah, look, come over here. Whoa, are you finding some eggs and fossils? Yeah, look. Whoa, you wanna hold that up? Whoa, check it out. We found some more eggs. Will you put it in my basket? Yeah, good job. Whoa, did you two find some eggs over here?
No, but I found a big egg.
Oh, you did? Will you pick it up for me? Whoa, oh, thank you, thank you. Whoa, hold it up. Hold up an egg. Here we go.
I want to hold up the pink one.
Okay, hold up the pink one.
Hello,
fossilized eggs.
I want to too.
Oh, you do? Okay, here's a pink one. Okay, hold it up.
Hello. I'm going to get it.
Okay. Oh, I wonder what's inside. Can I have it, please? Okay, thank you very much. All right, bye-bye. Whoa, look at this. A dinosaur skull. Whoa, do you see its skull, its face, and its teeth right here. Oh, yeah. Isn't this cool? This used to be a dinosaur, but now it's just a fossil. Hey, look, and some eggs. Will you put them in my basket? Oh. Here you go. Thank you very much. Good job to her. Whoa, some more over here. Whoa. These are ribs of a dinosaur. What did you find right there? Some more eggs. Whoa, big smile, okay? Yeah! So silly. Okay, now let's go see what's inside these eggs. Let's go. They're so cute. Wow, what a nice setting we have here. We have our fossils, and we have my paleontologist cheat sheet right here. Ooh, my tools, and my lunch. Can't forget about the lunch. Okay, in order to find the fossils from the inside of these dinosaur eggs, we need to put it in the water and let them soak, so then they get nice and soft. Shall we count the eggs? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whoa, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Do you know what a word that means 12? Yeah, 1 dozen. Okay, let's let them soak. Look at them. Whoa, pretty cool. Ooh, and then the colorful pink eggs. Yep, these aren't fossils. These are toys. Whoa, you can break them open. Whoa, look at that cute little creature. Hello. Kind of looks like a crab. Okay, there's a lot more of those, but I'm pretty hungry while we wait for these. Let's eat a really healthy lunch. We have some water. I love water. It tastes so good that moment that it hits my tongue. Ooh, what else do we have here? Ooh, an apple. Have you ever tried an apple before? Apples are fruit, and they are really tasty and good for you. And look at this. Do you know what this is? This is silly looking. They're like squares. Huh, well this is seaweed. Yeah, I said that right. Seaweed. You find this in the ocean. It's really healthy and really good. You should try some seaweed sometime. Ooh, and last but not least, a tasty, healthy sandwich. I love sandwiches. I love water. Hey, what's this doing here? This isn't part of my lunch, but It's part of my fun activities. Bubbles. Okay, you take out the little blower device and you pull it out. Whoa, did you see that? Whoa, I love bubbles. You know why? Because they're circle. They kind of look like eggs. So silly. Well, looks like we have some more time to kill for these eggs to soften up. So, why don't we head on over to the Pacific Science Center up in Seattle, Washington to check out some dinosaurs. So, be sure to see what dinosaur is your favorite. Whoa, check that out. That right there is a dinosaur. They don't live on our planet anymore, but they used to. Look at it. It kind of looks like a velociraptor. Will you act like a velociraptor with me? Whoa, another dinosaur. Whoa, this dinosaur, that's its name right there. It's really big. Hey, look at its head. Hey! See? It kind of looks like it's wearing a helmet. Just like when you and I ride bicycles, we wear helmets. Cool. Oh, here's some more dinosaurs. Whoa, look at that one. That is a triceratops. Do you know why they call it a triceratops? Yep, because it has 3 horns on its face and head. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. All right, see you later, Triceratops. Whoa. Hey, another dinosaur. Wow. Hey, dinosaur. Oh, this dinosaur right here was a herbivore. See, these plants, that means it eats plants. And plants only. It doesn't eat meat. And look at what's on its head. It kind of looks like a shark fin. So silly. Whoa, check this out. Whoa, this is a massive footprint. Okay, let's compare my foot to this dinosaur's foot. Ready? Its foot is way bigger than mine. It's even way bigger than 2 of my feet. Whoa, another dino. Check it out. This is a Stegosaurus. Whoa, do you see those plates on its back? That's for its defense mechanism. Wow. Hey, Stegosaurus. Oh. So many cool dinosaurs in here. Whoa! This dinosaur is so scary. It's the king and queen of the Dino Land. Whoa! I'm gonna act like this dinosaur, okay? Will you do the same? Ready? I love acting like a dinosaur. Oh, I think they're ready to be opened. Okay, let's grab our tools and let's open them up. Let's see, which one should I grab? Whoa, this one looks great. Okay, all right, so let's take it and then let's use our hammer and break it open. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Did you see that? It just split into 2 pieces. 1, 2. Oh, look at right here. Okay, I have a brush and I need to brush off. Oh, do you see that? Yeah, the dinosaur's tail. Okay, now we need a set of pliers so we can really get some of these pieces out of there. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Yeah, we got a dinosaur. Okay, let's rinse it off real quick. Whoa. Hey, look at it. Whoa, that's a cute dinosaur. Okay, now let's use our sheet to see what one it is. Okay, what one does it look like? Oh, it looks like that. A Styracosaurus. A Styracosaurus. Wow, that is a cool dinosaur. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, let's see. How about this one? Yeah, that looks good. Okay, what other tools do I have in here? Ooh, a screwdriver. All right, here we go. All right, yeah, good job. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Oh, I see a little bit. Let's take our brush. Yeah. Good job. Do you see it poking out? Yeah. Okay, we need to do a little bit more. Okay, let's take the screwdriver. Whoa. Look. Oh, we're almost there. Okay. Oh, whoa, good job. There it is. Okay, let's rinse it off. Whoa, I'm so excited. Wow, look at that one. Whoa. I don't even know what kind of dinosaur that is. Okay, let's use our cheat sheet. Here we go. Okay, what one does it look like? There it is. It looks like a Corythosaurus. Corythosaurus. Yeah, Corythosaurus. Whoa, here we go. Okay, how about one more dinosaur? Okay, let's use our flashlight to see in there. Okay. Oh, there's one. How about this one? This one looks real good. Okay, this one's really tough, so we need to bring on the saw. Okay, cut. Okay, cut it. Cut. Oh, hey, look! The tail! Cut. Whoa, okay, there we go. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Yeah! What a big dinosaur! Okay, let's rinse it off. Wow. Look at that dinosaur. That looks like a really big dinosaur. Has a really tall neck, a really long tail. Okay, let's use the cheat sheet. Okay, let's see. Looks like a Diplodocus. Diplodocus. That's a silly name. Diplodocus. Well, good job. It was so much fun finding these fossilized eggs with you and then seeing what dinosaurs were inside. Yeah! Oh, hey! I was just acting like a dinosaur. You want to act like a dinosaur with me? Yeah, come on, let's do it. That's so much fun. Get ready, because we are about to sing and dance to the dinosaur song.
A long time ago on this planet Earth, before we ever existed, another kind of creature ruled the land, and and this is a song for them. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, oh, I love dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, prehistoric dinosaurs. Stegosauruses were bigger than elephants, but their brains were the size of a peppermint. Triceratops had 3 horns on their head in case they ever needed to defend. The Brachiosaurus had a really long neck, and at the end was a itty bitty head. Pterodactyls would soar through the sky. Their wings were enormous in size, and if they stood up straight on the ground, they would be as tall as a giraffe. Dinosaur, dinosaur, oh, I love dinosaurs. Raptors were smart and fast, and like wolves they would hunt in packs. The Elasmosaurus was the king of the deep. He'd swim around in the sea. The Ankylosaurus had a tail like a hammer and a body that was built like a tank. And the Spinosaurus had a spine like a sail, and they looked quite a bit like a crocodile. Oh boy, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the king of the dinosaurs. They'd roam the land on their big back legs and let out a mighty roar. They were large and fierce, and they only ate meat. They had the biggest, sharpest teeth.
But little tiny arms are always just kinda hanging there off of my body.
Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, oh, I love dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, prehistoric dinosaurs.
Whoa! Look! I'm on top of a dinosaur! Alright, here we go! Yeah! Whoa! Whee! This is so much fun riding a dinosaur! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, let's head back this way, alright? Okay, here we go! Giddy up! Whoa! 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 Whee! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you act like you are riding a dinosaur as well? Okay, let's do it at the same time. Okay, act like you're riding a dinosaur and sitting on it. Okay, on the count of 3, you say, giddy up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Giddy up! Whoa! Whee! Good job! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa now. Do you want to do it again? Yeah! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Giddy up! Whoa! 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 Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, that was so much fun riding this dinosaur and seeing all those fossils with you. Hey, remember what I said earlier about me wanting to be a paleontologist? Yeah, all it takes for you to do anything you want in this whole wide world is dedication and hard work. And you are very special, and you can do it. Just stay dedicated, do that hard work, and you can be whatever and whoever you want. Well, this is the end of this video. So if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. Well, see you again. Bye-bye. Get him! Whoa!
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey grown-ups, if your child loves my videos, you can head to blippi.com for some super duper duper cool things.